Yo guys, what's up, it's Seth here. Sorry I haven't been doing a video in a long time, but disregard the video from last night. I don't know what that was. I'm just gonna name this YouTube, put it YouTube, gonna do another Minecraft. And survival on easy. Let's get started. So, I'm using my Turtle Beaches. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm using them. Sorry if this is loud or you can't hear the TV. Sorry, but get this loading. Loading screens take forever. So I'll try to get this uploaded by the time I go to bed. Alright. It's a nice bed. We'll get us some trees. Okay. Alright. They're gonna make me a pick, and yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead and get me some wool. Someone can make me another bed. That one. Oh, village. I'm just gonna take theirs. Nope. Can you take over there? Wow. Okay, now I can make me a bed. Alright. So let's cool. Oh crap. Just hold on. Yes, alright, so oops. And that's it. Okay, so okay. Let's explore this. some of this coal so we can smelt that iron, which I'm going to get some cobblestone to get the furnace. We got 12 iron. Oh my god. So let's chop and come out of here. Just go and check this. Sorry, I'm confused right for a second. Okay, so we gotta try to make our way out of here. Don't know how we're gonna do that. Hey, back up here. And we're gonna get some more trees. Get a furnace. Smelt that up. And then I'm gonna make me like a little cave. I can put my bed in here. That should be good enough. Let's put some torches. Get that right there. And stuff. This is where my crafting table is going to go. And then just go into the furnace real fast. Furnace. Alright. Let's go kill us some animals for some food. Alright guys, well, I'll continue the next episode tomorrow, and see ya.